5.3, the binomial distribution. Number 13, prison inmates. 40% of prison inmates were unemployed when they entered the prison. So let me first write that down. P equals to 0.4. If 5 inmates are randomly selected, so that's your fixed number n equals to 5. Find the following probabilities. A, exactly 3 were unemployed. So I want probability x equals to 3. So the binomial formula, probability of x is combination of n choose x, p to the x, q, which is 1 minus p, to the n minus x. So if I want 3 inmates being unemployed, I take the combination of 5 choose 3, and then 0.4 to the third, and then 0.6. If I want 3 people who are unemployed, then 2 of them out of 5 would be employed. And probability of someone that's employed is 0.6. Okay? So I do want to see the setup of the formula. But you can find this answer by going to second bars under binomial PDF. The number of trials is 5, probability of success is 0.4, and x is 3, and that gives you the answer 0.2304. Okay, so if I've just typed in combination of 5 choose 3, let me show you how this is done in math. Over to probabilities, number 3. Whoops. So 5 and then number 3. So 5 choose 3. And then multiply that by 0.4 to the third. And then multiply that by 0.6 squared. And that should give us 0.2304. Okay? So you can use binomial PDF to get the answer, but I do want to see the setup of formulas. B, probability that at most 4 were unemployed. So at most 4 means x is less than or equal to 4. So if you were to show work, you would have to find probability x equal to 0, and then add probability x equal to 1, all the way to probability x equals to 4. It's a little tedious, so we're just going to use the calculator to help us. Second bars. This time around, you're going to use binom CDF. CDF is cumulative, C for cumulative, all the way up to 4. So the number of trial is still 5. P is still 0.4. X is 4, but you're not looking for just probability x equals to 4. That means probability of x starting at 0 all the way up to 4. And that gives us a probability of 0.9898. Not a lot of work to show because I don't want you to show the tedious work of adding all 5 of these together. So please just convert the words to math symbols and then use binom CDF to find the answer. Probability at least 3 were unemployed. At least 3 means greater than or equal to 3. So let's think about this. If you pick 5 prisoners, the number of them that are unemployed would be anywhere from 0 to 5. Greater than or equal to 3 would be 3, 4, 5. So it's easier to take 1 minus probability of the complement, which is 0, 1, 2. And this part can be done by using binom CDF I just showed you with 5, 0.4 and x is 2. Okay? So second vars binom CDF, n is 5, p is 4, x is now 2. And that's that probability, the cumulative probability from 0 to 2. So I'm going to take 1 minus 0.68256, and that would give me the answer. Okay, so the answer would be 0.3174. D, probability fewer than 2. So fewer than 2, less than 2. I'm going to change that to less than 2 would be 0 and 1. So probability x is less than or equal to 1. And then I'm going to use binom CDF. And this time around, your x is going to be 1. So calculator is going to calculate the probability of x equal to 0 and probability of x equal to 1 and add them together. Okay? And that gives us 0.337.